In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Google Analytics 4, commonly known as GA4, within just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Google Analytics or transitioning from a previous version, this guide is designed to walk you through the login process smoothly and efficiently. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Google. This can be done by typing google.com into the address bar of your preferred web browser. Google's homepage will serve as our starting point. Once there, you'll notice several options and features available. But for now, our focus will be on signing in to your Google account. To do this, look for the Sign In button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the Google homepage. Clicking on this button will prompt you to choose which Google account you'd like to use. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the one associated with the Google Analytics account you wish to access. After selecting your account, you'll be asked to enter your password. It's crucial to input your password carefully to avoid any access issues. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Google provides helpful steps to recover it. Once you've entered your password, proceed by clicking on the Next button. This will finalize the authentication of your Google account, granting you access to the various services Google offers, including Google Analytics. Now, this is where the path to Google Analytics begins. Once signed in, you'll notice a grid icon in the top right corner of the page, known as the Google Apps icon. This icon serves as a gateway to all the Google applications available to you. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu filled with various apps. From this selection of apps, you're looking for the one labeled Google Analytics. The icon is usually distinguishable by its vibrant orange and blue logo. Clicking on this icon will teleport you directly to the Google Analytics interface. But before we proceed, I want to highlight something important. If you're logging into GA4 for the first time, or if it's your first interaction with Google Analytics, the interface might seem a bit daunting. Fear not, for newcomers, Google Analytics offers guided tours and helpful tips to familiarize you with the dashboard. Take advantage of these resources to enhance your understanding of the platform. Upon clicking the Google Analytics icon, you should find yourself on the GA4 dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. From here, you can monitor your website's traffic, analyze user behavior, track conversions, and much more. The power of Google Analytics lies in the data it provides, empowering you to make informed decisions to improve your website's performance and user experience. Navigating through GA4's dashboard might require a bit of a learning curve, especially if you're accustomed to the older versions of Google Analytics. However, with a bit of exploration and practice, you'll soon become adept at utilizing the various features and reports GA4 has to offer. Remember, each section of the dashboard provides unique insights, so take the time to explore them thoroughly. To wrap up, logging into Google Analytics 4 is a straightforward process that opens up a world of data-driven possibilities for your website. By following the steps we've gone through today, starting from signing into your Google account, accessing the Google Apps icon, and selecting Google Analytics, you're well on your way to leveraging one of the most powerful tools in web analytics. We understand that delving into GA4 can be overwhelming at first glance, but we encourage you to explore and experiment with the platform. The more you familiarize yourself with its functionalities, the more invaluable insights you can uncover to elevate your online presence. And with that, we've covered everything you need to know to successfully log into Google Analytics 4. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to dive into Google's extensive help resources or seek out community forums where experienced users share their knowledge and tips. Thank you for watching and happy analyzing. Here's to unlocking the full potential of your website with Google Analytics 4.